right, well, I figured, since it is winter time, might as well do a little maintenance on this. The one thing I'm going to tackle is right here. To there. To there. That's where the preheater ductile hose goes. Basically wrapped aluminum foil, really. I got brand new a while back because the old one, I took it to the show and it ripped. The ends of them ripped. Really easy because they're thin. They're just like aluminum foil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a measurement of that hose. Probably take the air cleaner off. We'll build something. That way this sits in a housing. Because I'm pretty sure they're the same. I wouldn't think Ford or anybody for that matter would want to make them different. But who knows? We'll find out, I guess. You just set up and take it apart. I'll take some measurements here and let you know. Okay, well, got the dimensions here. Scrap piece of paper here. So the top one is 1 7/8 for the overall diameter. The height is 3/8, and I'm gonna make that just a little bit longer. And the reason why is I want to have a good amount of meat going down here, so I might make that 1/2 inch. Down there, however, is 2 inch. So how long is W? That stands for whatever. So whatever I want to do is whatever I'm going to do down there. I'm going to get this button back up. Alright, that's it. So stay tuned for this project. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. But you go to a show and sometimes people bump it. And or they go around and check out your rig and want to see how you install it, and next thing you know, you're driving down the road and you're wondering when you come home, hey, how come it's missing? Well, it's because someone moved it and it flew off while you're driving down the road. So hopefully this will give you guys some ideas. That's all I got for now. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button if you would. Please don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.